100% pure coconut cookies with only coconut milk and coconut flour. Coconut flour. Put some coconut flour onto the plate. Put in coconut milk, coconut cream. Mix together. Roll into a ball. Put onto the baking sheet and press a bit. Repeat for more coconut cookies.
Bake for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit.
After 20 minutes of baking, let the cookies cool down a while. 100% pure coconut cookie. With only coconut milk and coconut flour. Texture is soft. And taste is great even with just coconut milk and coconut flour. Ingredients: coconut milk, coconut flour. These are almond cookies. Made using coconut milk and almond flour instead of coconut flour. Texture is more crispy and less crumbly. But coconut cookies taste better in general. Coconut cookies also smell better. Coconut flour, better taste. Almond flour, better texture.